So this is pretty neat. Went to go get some dinner today and found out there's mice or rats chilling out in the engine bay of the Tundra. They've gone and chewed on this harness here. So I have a misfire in cylinder 2. Most likely I'm gonna have to take the fuel rail off to get to these lower connectors. I got the first one off, but yeah, this is the injector harness, it looks like. Get this junk out of here. Oh yeah, they're chilling down in there. Got freaking peanut shells. Alright, what are the chances of me getting absolutely hosed with fuel pulling this off? My guess is high. Safety squints engaged. How do we get these guys off? Big clip. Squeeze. Oh wow. That was nowhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. Neat. Alright. Smash my intake, that's cool. Reach. Oh, of course it doesn't fit. First there's a bracket in the way. Can we snake this in there? Yes, sir. Oh, that's on there tight though. Please? Please? Bolt, please? Please? Come on. Yeah. Oh, is there a spacer in there? Alright, bolt down. Ooh, almost dropped it. And fuel rail, please. Thank you. Oh my god, the amount of crap that is in there. We're gonna vacuum that while we're in here. So those little bastards chewed through the wires that lead to the cylinder 2 injector. So we were misfiring on cylinder 2 because of that. So now I have to go ahead and see if I can pick up this harness here, as well as some new O-rings for the injectors while we're here. Lots of dirt and grime in here, so do a bit of cleaning as well. Alright, I got some parts on order from Toyota. I got all the little isolators for the injectors. I got 2 of the standoffs for the fuel rail because I dropped one, but I later found it. And I also got a replacement harness, which was surprisingly cheap at like 25 bucks. But for now, I'm going to patch these wires and put it all back together so we can run the truck. A little bit of heat shrink to hide my atrocities. Alright, that just has to survive until the new harness comes in. Alright, let's get this popped back into the truck. Hopefully I didn't damage any of those O-rings. They all felt like they went in okay. Gotta get all my earplugs out of here first. Yeah, this would have been fairly straightforward if I didn't drop one of these spacers that holds the fuel rail down behind onto the transmission back there and then spend another 45 minutes trying to fish it out with a bore scope and a magnet. And it's plastic. Be careful not to drop these spacers. Nope, they gotta go on first. Okay, fine. But I don't want to drop it. It's like a nightmare. One spacer. Alright, we gotta make sure not to drop this one in the back, because I don't want to go fishing for it again. Oh, it's so loose in there too. I know, it's already feeling like it's gonna fall. Can we capture it with the bolts, maybe? Alright, let's make sure not to... Nope, feels like I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna tape it on there. Alright, I taped the rear spacer on because I don't want to go fishing for it again. This is kind of a nightmare, aligning everything. There's that one. And final injector, maybe? Oh, yeah, there we go. Sick. Blue tape might just live there. I don't know if I can get it off. That should be fine. Gotta take it off to put the new harness on anyway. This connector, fuel line, and another fuel line. Ooh. Is that on? No. There we go. The fuel line goes right over that bolt. Getting ahead of myself. Alright, I'm gonna move for a second here. Click. Click. Okay, now fuel line back on. Okay, that's all set. Now let's get the intake back on. This line here. There we go. Weird. And alrighty. Alright, let's see if that takes care of our cylinder 2 misfire and all the other warnings that we had. Still got the check engine light. Let's bust out the OBD2 reader. What do we got for codes here? Cylinder 2 misfire. I think that was from yesterday, so let's erase these. Alright, let's try again. Off. It's running pretty good. Let's go check the engine bay. Looks like that solved it for us. So I took the truck up and down the block and it's running just fine now. I'm gonna need to be more diligent about making sure there are no mice droppings or any of this urine that we see. I'm trying to keep them out of here. So I picked up some of this rodent repellent spray and I'm gonna see if this works. It's like cinnamon and peppermint oil. I'm just gonna spray some of the top plastics here. Smells fresh. Smells like peppermint. I also picked up some glue traps that I'll throw in the engine bay overnight, see if I can get rid of any that are coming back, and then when the parts come in, swap the injector harness back over and should be good to go. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. See you on the next one.